Hi, good morning! Ilang araw po tayo hindi nag-vlog. Binablog ko lang si Are pag-open niya ng kanyang advance calendar. Alam niyo ba yung advance calendar? Ay nagsimula po dito sa Germany. Isang tradition dito na everyday, no, December 1 hanggang December 24 hanggang sumapit yung Pasko. Wow, ang cute. Wait lang, advertise. Yun ang galing. Nag-design siya dito. Mga Christmas design. Wow! Grabe, nag-effort talaga siya, no? Pati dito, saan nila, bintana nila. Ay. So, yan, balik tayo sa advance calendar. Nag-open sila ng gift, small gift, from December 1 hanggang sumapit yung Pasko, ang pinaka malaki na. Hi! Nag-vlog. Saan ka galing? Part-time? Okay. Ay, sorry, naputol po yung ating vlog kanina kay may nakasugat ba? Nakasugat. Sa Tagalog. Nakasalubong. Ayan, nakasalubong ako na Filipina. Galing din siya na part-time. Grabe ka. Kahataw. Grabe ka. Ano tayo napaka masipag. May-ari pa yun siya ng store. Pero hindi ko alam kung pwede bang sabihin. Pero may-ari siya ng Asian store dito. Tapos part-time pa siya. Ay, andito na po ako sa trabaho ko. But, hi! Tapos ako magtrabaho. At ngayon ako nakapag-vlog kasi sobrang busy. Marami akong ginagawa dahil last week hindi po ako nakapunta dito dahil sad to say, inatake po kasi siya sa puso. So, nag-heart attack siya. Ikwento ko na lang po mamaya sa inyo pag nakalakad na tayo papunta sa bus. Gusto ko lang i-feature muna ang loob ng kanyang bathroom, no? Ito tayo sa bathroom niya. Meron din siya ditong sauna, yung boss natin. And sa gilid is, ito yung kanyang isa sa kanyang sports car nakatago. Yun, Yan, ang cute, may stuff toy. Ano siya, parang vintage sport car. Ayan, so, kailangan ko na pong magmadali kay aalis na po tayo para maabutan ko pa si Arya. Ako na lang mag-isa dito. Kailangan ko lang inumin yung aking mainom. Kasi dito pwede kang kumuha ng mainom. You are free to drink or eat whatever you like. Masarap po siya. Ang kanyang smack or kanyang flavor is grapefruit. Yan, ito yung paborito ko na iniinom dito. Kaya palagi siyang may structure kasi alam niya na ito yung paborito ko. At ako lang po pala mag-isa dito sa bahay niya. Pinagkatiwala din niya yung kanyang bahay. Sobrang bilis magtiwala ng mga mga puti, mga German ba. Teka lang, hinuin ko muna. Ako lang mag-isa dito ngayon. Ako lang mag-isa dito ngayon dahil kinuha siya ng kanyang kaibigan. Dahil nasabi ko sa inyo na inatake siya sa puso. Pero hindi naman siya worst. Mukha ka siyang healthy Mukha siyang walang sakit. Kinuha lang siya para ka-check up. Maganda talaga nun na mayroon kang mga kaibigan na nagmamalasakit sa'yo ba. Galing. Magdali tayo sana maabutan ko pa yung ating bus. Lagay ko lang yung ating bottle dito. Hello, Blenders! Good morning! Hi! Ayan. Pupunta tayo ngayon sa grocery store. Kaya marami tayong bottles na kailangan na i-dispose kay grabe. Naging clutter na siya sa bahay kasi sa sobrang dami ng mga bottles. We are using plastic bottle for our water. Kay yung tap water dito is naiinom pero hindi po kami umiinom. Teka lang, meron pong darating. And we are driving now, going to Edeka. Kita ba ako? I'm not sure. Now first in Edeka, we have bring the bottles. You know, it's my first time to have, hindi ko alam kung nakikita nyo ako kasi we are using a GoPro right now and I cannot see myself. Unlike sa It's okay. We have time. Cool. Yeah. Yes! Sa wakas. So, ayan guys. Hello po. Sana hindi ko mahilo-hilo, no? Kay nag-drive tayo ng bicycle. Ang dami lubak-lubak. Ito na naman. Ingat kayo, ingat, ingat. Oh, ayan. So, ganyan yung mga bahay. May defix doon sa street. Ito yung maganda pag meron ganito bike. Mahirap yung bike. Lalo na kung basa ka kapag magsisipin tayo. Ang easy yan. Dito tayo. Malapit tayo sa Edikan. Screen. Hi. Parang may nakakilala sa atin. May nakasugat na. Kasalubong pala. Kasugat. Kasugat sa Bisaya. May nakasalubong tayo na Filipina kasi may nagretuman tayo. Ako pala agent na. At marami pong mga Filipina ang nagtatrabaho dyan. Merong mga nurse, meron din sa kitchen, nag-work, meron din sa linis sa kanilang kwarto. Yung Pilipina po ay flexible lahat ng trabaho. Alam natin. Yan saan tayo lagay doon? Linis. Sa lugar namin pala, medyo limited siya, pero meron na mga shops dito. May massage na kaya punta ko may ito. Hindi ko lang po grocery lang. So, katulad ni Maria, at katulad ng aso. Ay, may aso na. Hi! So, ngayon, are you gonna stay here? Okay? I will just put the bottles. Kaya dito lang naman yung Edika sa gilid. Tapos si Aran dito lang siya maiwan. Makita ko naman siya habang maglalagay tayo, pagsawit tayo ng mga bottles, mga plastic bottles. Ayan, ito tayo sa loob. At dito po tayo mag-change o maglagay ng ating mga butilyo. Medyo madami-dami din po ito. Daming €11.50. So, tatay na naman. Ako din na kay tatay. Bye, tay. Nauhaw tayo. Naka-grocery na at yeah. Oh yeah! I bought her a britzel.
And it looks like a heart.
Yeah. So yan. Naka-grocery rin tayo kasi mag-spaghetti bolognese. Tapos, meron din tayong banana and tubig. Kaya, ano na, satisfied na yung ating pag-grocery today dahil napakain na natin yung ating anakin. And now we're going home because Tia...
No.
We're going...
Tia gonna come here.
No, I told to Tia to go home. We will meet there. You better stay at home. Yeah? I will not ride with bicycle. So, naisip ko na iwanan na lang to si Arya sa bahay. Iwanan siya. Dawi ako magsalita eh. Iwanan ko na lang siya doon sa bahay kasama si Tia. Para hindi na siya mapagod-pagod at hindi na tayo mag-bicycle. Kasi mamaya ulan. Yun lang yung isip ko. Buti na lang tumawag si Tia. Sabi niya, pauwi na ako ng bahay. So, naisip ko na uwi na lang din tayo ng bahay after grocery. So, let's go home. Cover, please. yung mababa. Yung stand niya, ang baba. Hi po! Pagdating po natin dito sa bahay, ay nagluto po agad ako. Meron po tayo ditong spaghetti bolognese. Ayan, napakasarap. Nagbili tayo kanina ng hackfleisch or yung giniling sa Metzgerai, which is very fresh. Pag sa Metzgerai, kabibili talagang, ano siya ba, parang bago lahat ng mga karne nila. Even medyo may pagkakamahalan kaysa sa normal na binibenta. Pero, at least fresh at saka masarap. Masarap yung karne niya. Kaya yan, iserve na po natin sa ating mga palanggain. And kain po tayong lahat. Kain tayo, guys. Hi! So, this is your, what is this? Advance calendar. So, you're gonna open first because today is December 1. Yeah. Let's look what you get for December 1. So,
Malaki na cappuccini.
don't open, okay?
Yeah, tomorrow I'm gonna next tomorrow I'm gonna do like this and
Yeah.
then next tomorrow this one.
I did not
this
put
one,
yet
this
because
one, and this one.
yeah, I did not put it yet others
See something?
nine because you're not allowed to open. Only only
But
today,
Mama, I feel something in
December
here.
1.
Because there is something.
Yeah.
I didn't.
So what will you
I
say?
also don't know what's in my calendar.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Yeah. Good morning, babe.
Mama, is it Monday?
Tuesday now. Today is Tuesday, December 2. Yeah, one broken pack. Now, it's time for your advance calendar. Hey, girl. You can now open your advance calendar, baby. Good morning.
But there's nothing inside.
Just check. Just check your advance calendar. Today is 2. Gonna check. Is there any inside or nothing inside? There is. And what is it? Wait. Yeah. La, what is that? Wow, this is what Arya get today, December 2. She's still sleepy. So, today is the 3rd of December. And we're gonna look what Arya get from her advance calendar.
A little bit small now.
Smaller.
I think it's a ring.
Yeah?
Yeah.
You think so?
It feels like.
Okay.
I knew it was a ring.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Is it a ring?
Yeah, it is.
Or is it a coin? Or is it a Mentos? Oh, so cute! Oh my god. Wow! Macy? Wow!
Yes.
Hey, don't move yet. It's not yet so. Wow, so cute, guys. Wow, super cute. I think today is December 4. Let's look what Arya got. She got
It's like sweet. It's like hard.
huh? What is that? Oh, you can make your own bracelet. So today is Friday.
5th day.
Yeah, December 5. So you can
5th day.
yeah,
Now I'm
it's
gonna
12th
open
day
it
of
now.
December. And oh my god,
3, 2, 1.
I'm so
Something small.
small.
Really small. It's a ring again.
Hmm?
I know it's a ring.
Yeah. Yeah. Is it a coin?
No, it's a
What?
ring.
Sorry?
Yeah, I'll show you.
Ooh.
I'm gonna show you what this is.
Oh,
It's a heart.
hello.
You can
It means
love you.
mm-hmm.
So, thank you. Bye.
Tomorrow tomorrow is a little bit
Sixth
big.
day. Wait, Mama, can I say something?
Tomorrow is Nicolaus.
I know already, Mama.
Good morning, my baby ko. Today is St. Nicholas Day. It's December 6th and we have a nice weather. So what's
It's not a nice weather. There's no sun.
there is, look. We have no light if there's no sun. So it's St. Nicholas, December 6th.
Mama, Nicholas we need a boots.
Boots? You don't need the boots.
Yes.
You have a shoes.
Why?
You have a lot of shoes.
Why shoes?
You don't need the boots.
I need.
Did the Nicholas before when you were young did he put in your boots?
Yeah, in the boots. But
In your shoes?
Stiefel. My teacher said Stiefel.
Stiefel.
Yeah. So boots.
We don't know.
The pink one, what I just wear in kindergarten yesterday.
What?
What I just wore yesterday in kindergarten.
First things first, the pink one?
Yeah.
Hey, you can check. I was looking, I did not found. You can check where where is your boots. So normally not normally, but St. Nicholas Day, St. Nicholas will put some in the boots or in the shoes. Not really in the boots. Where's your boots?
Here.
Nothing. There's not.
There is.
There is? Nicholas Barda?
Yeah.
Huh?
What? Why are you just shocked? Oh, the other one. Why are you just shocked?
Huh?
I told you.
What?
In these boots. I told you.
Really?
Yeah, I told
Oh
you.
my god, what you got, may I see? What is that? It's a pink.
Chocolate.
Oh,
Nicholas.
Nicholas is a pink?
No, Nicholas is red.
Wow, you got something but I don't have. Me, I don't.
It's for kids only.
Oh yeah?
For kids.
Nicholas were
Kids only.
Nicholas were there.
It's too early.
Yeah, it's too early to eat your chocolate. Now you can open your calendar. Ooh, let's look what she got. Today is 6. It's St. Nicholas. It must be a little bit
Oh.
special.
It's a ring again.
Huh?
Maybe.
A ring again?
Yes, maybe it's a ring. Huh, why is it red?
So,
It's
let's look.
red.
She said maybe it's a ring again, right?
It is.
Really?
I feel it. I know what the ring feels like. Look, I made both off.
Oh, cool.
And then a ring again. And what's there? It's like a name. Nicholas?
Amazing.
No, it's not. It's
Come
two.
here. Come here.
Wait. It's
There's
like
a name.
in Deutsch.
Deutsch.
Schreiben.
Okay, let's look.
To you.
Mm.
Birthday to you.
Macy, what's in your ring? Oh, where is it?
Here.
In here.
I don't know.
Oh, today is St. Nicholas. It's special. That's why it says here, love.
But the one I ate that's chocolate now.
May I say again? It says here, love.
Again a ring.